Juki, a leading sewing machine manufacturer and supplier, proudly introduces a revolutionary home sewing machine, the Exceed. Juki is rated as the #1 manufacturer and supplier of industrial sewing machines worldwide. For many years, Juki has produced outstanding sewing machines with unique sewing performance for the fashion industries. Now based on this industrial technology, Juki introduces a superb new model for the home. The sewing machine is called the Exceed. The features of the Exceed are fabulous. Now let's examine some of those features, mainly the flagship model. Box feed for perfect seams. Outstanding feed performance. Sensor-controlled button holding, a unique new function from Juki. A foot controller with thread trimming function. A spacious work area. Many helpful features for quilters. Many sewing machines do not have all of these features. The Exceed has them all. It will surely exceed your expectations. Let's explore these fabulous features and the beauty they produce. Powerful feeding and perfect stitch quality. Box feed for perfect seams. Why has Juki created the Exceed? The top priority was to develop the most beautiful seams and outstanding feed performance ever achieved by conventional home sewing machines. Ultimately, we decided to adopt the box feed, a technology already established and widely used for our industrial sewing machines. The conventional feed mechanism is oval motion, so the feed dog doesn't travel parallel to the throat plate. The box feed moves the feed dog in box motion. This keeps the feed dog in constant and perfect contact with the fabric under the presser foot. The box motion assures perfect feeding throughout the entire feed process, thereby preventing uneven feed and seam puckering in every type of material, from light to heavy weight. Beautiful seams and stable feeding aren't the only benefits. The box feed also promises a smooth and accurate operation. Outstanding feed performance. The outstanding feeding power comes from the 7-point feed dog system made of special steel and the improved presser foot. A typical home sewing machine has trouble hemming heavy materials. The Exceed can sew over the overlapped section of heavyweight denim perfectly. The Exceed also has many other features. Let me show you some. Helpful features for quilters. Direct pattern selection. The machine is programmed to sew a variety of attractive stitch patterns quilters will love. Select your desired stitch pattern by touching the direct button for a quick start. A spacious work area. A large working space is wider and higher and can handle quilts and large projects with ease. The wide table gives you an additional work area to support large quilts and projects. This helps you keep focused on your sewing for better material handling. Memory function. The X-Seed can store up to 10 of your favorite stitch combinations, including stitch length and jigsaw wise. Other helpful and convenient features for quilters. It also offers quilters and other helpful features such as a drop feed, a knee lifting lever, needle position selection for a decorative stitch, and presser foot pressure adjustment. Choose from 225 built-in stitch patterns and from many presser feet. The X-Seed is wonderful. The many features and possibilities of this machine will inspire your creativity as a quilting artist. The most groundbreaking feature is a new exclusive foot controller with thread trimming function never developed for a home sewing machine before. The X-Seed automatically trims the threads when you press the foot controller backward. Though common in industrial sewing machines, this style of control is new for home models. The X-Seed is the first home sewing machine with thread trimming by the foot controller. The foot controller is big enough to operate effectively and helps you concentrate on working with your projects. Together with the knee lifting lever, you can keep your hands and eyes on the sewing project. Threads are also trimmed by push button at the machine body if desired. Another upgrade is buttonhole sewing. Look at these beautiful buttonholes. The X-Seed has a special way of producing beautiful, elegant buttonholes. Juki's unique new buttonhole sensor sees and identifies with fabric types and variations in fabric thickness to automatically adjust the feeding. You can finish the round end of a keyhole buttonhole with a beautiful shape. The X-Seed's extensive selection of buttonhole styles is comparable to that of an industrial sewing machine. The machine offers 16 buttonhole styles for different material types and applications, such as heavyweight material, knit, double buttonhole, and decorative buttonhole. The seam width is also adjustable. Never before has this feature been offered in a home sewing machine. You can choose a seam width similar to the ones from your favorite fashion house. I could go on and on explaining the other features of the X-Seed. But finally, other features. Auto needle threader. quick bobbin thread preparation. Dual LED lights to illuminate the needle and sewing areas. Xceed, the first choice for sewing enthusiasts who want the best. Xceed family is waiting for you.